Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Take It Easy, and for today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to check if your hard disk is working fine. So, first of all, you're going to come down to the dock and find Launchpad. Once you've clicked on Launchpad, find Other and click on it. Once you've done that, you should see a couple of apps. Click on Disk Utility. You should be greeted by a page that looks like this. Don't worry if your name isn't the same as this. So, what you're going to do is come here and press on First Aid. It will ask you, do you want to run First Aid on OS X? Just click Run. Then press Continue. This may last for several minutes or hours. And if your hard disk has a tick on it, that means it is perfectly fine. But if it doesn't, that means you need to see your local or computer repair shop. Or you can call us at 0386 521 589. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.